Hi there, it's Mrs. Hoppy. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the Mark for Review feature. Sometimes when we're taking a test, there are questions that I know the answer to right away and I'm ready to answer. There are some that take a little more thought and I have to spend some time figuring them out. And sometimes there's a question where maybe I get it down to two choices, or maybe I have to write something and I want to be able to review my writing before I turn it in. That's what the Mark for Review feature is for. Let me show you what it looks like. This Mark for Review is in this menu right up here. Let's look at an actual CAASPP test. Let's say we're on this question here. Which equation has the same unknown value as 30 divided by unknown equals 6? Now, this question isn't asking me to solve it. I don't have solutions here. What I have is 4 different equations. I know that I'm going to use my strike through. I know it's not that one. But this one has a division sign too. It might be that one. I don't think it's 6 times. Maybe. We can't just switch. I don't think it's that one either. I can't remember which one it is of these two. If I'm not sure, I can't just go to the next one. I have to put in an answer. All right. What I'm going to do though is Mark for Review. Do you see how that put that little flag there? It also, when I go to questions, it shows the little flag there. Okay. Now I have to choose an answer. I'm going to choose this one here. I'm not 100% sure that's the right one, but I've got it flagged so I can come back to it. I'm going to go to the next. 6 times 8. I know that. What unknown number? That's going to be 48. This looks like a calculator, doesn't it? But I can't do 6 times 8. There's no multiply. So I'm going to put in 48. And then I'm going to go to the next question. Decide whether each expression is equal to 4 times 12. Now let's say I'm not sure on this one either. Can I flag it again? I'm going to choose yes for all of them. I don't think that's right. I'm going to mark that for review, but I have to have an answer, right? Okay, so this one I'm sure of. I'm going to go through right now and take the rest of these questions. I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so it says I'm done with the test. I went to next, and this is saying you've reached the end of the test. Click the end test. So I'm going to do that, and it says you're ending the test. Do I want to end it yet? No. Here's what I want to do. Before I end the test, always look back at questions and see which ones. Okay. Now this one is 7. That shows the one that I'm on. Oopsies, I didn't mean to click. I want to go back to the flags. So I flagged number 3 because I had to choose 3 things. Which expressions equal to 4 times 12? And I got confused because which one? Well, it's this one. So I wasn't sure. I have to put no and uncheck. Do you see how that works? So I'm happy with that one. I can unmark that. Now I'm going to look back at my questions. This one is flagged too, so I'm going to come back to that. And I'm going to think about it some more, and I think that is the answer that I like. So now that I've gone through them all, I check the questions. Oops, I forgot to unflag that. It's okay if you forget. I don't have any flags. I've answered them all. Now I'm ready to end the test. So that's how it works. Remember, once you end the test, you can't go back. So don't end it until you're positive you're ready to end it.